Backtesting every day until unprofitable day 308. Yeah. Open this. Yeah. Let me turn on my lights. Hello. No, I don't know why it doesn't work. Yo, Vet, hardness was no, no. Fat, oh my god. Oh my god. Fat beat you to it. Bro, what was that, man? You got lucky. Bro, my light's not working. Yeah, so continue with 2020 again. And then I'm in July. It's called skill. Today was yours. Tomorrow will be his. How are you guys? Fat, did you have a good birthday? Even though you're gonna celebrate it upcoming Sunday, was it? Voice crack's crazy, bro. I thought I got out of it. I thought you guys weren't gonna talk about it. I thought you guys were too busy with the other conversation shit, man. Yeah, the voice crack was crazy. What? How you doing, Arden? Bro, why is my lights not working? Oh, it's off. Oh my god. 1 second. Now it should work. It's now pink, but there. And then there's light. Good to hear that. What am I looking for? 7th of July, 1 day before my birthday. What news do we have? Okay, so it's a London session trading. I don't know if I already took something here. I spent the day at my girlfriend's house and they surprised me with a cake. Ah, cute, nice, that's sweet. Yo, Cookie, I'm doing great, man. How are you doing? Alright, yeah, I got a W on that that day. So we go to Wednesday. Oh shit, is this? Oh yeah, AM session trading, so that's fine. Remove. What do we have? So we're at all-time highs here. Just tap this daily gap. There. And then we're holding this 6 hour on ES. My birthday on July 12th. Oh, nice. Very close to each other. Nice, nice. So it's almost your birthday as well then. Like we're 1 month. Not even a month. How old will you be, Cookie? I'll be turning 22 in July 8th. This year, of course. Sounds like it was fun. So you got a nice W today. Yeah, man. It was, I thought it really was going to go higher, but it really looked like a choppy session. But I got a very nice TP. I don't know if I still have it on here. The chart, I think I removed it. Yeah. But like I took TP. I think it was on a 2 minute. Let me check. Yeah, it was. Yeah, this was my trade. Almost like an instant stop out. Oh no, here. Still have the alert on. Yes. Should remove this, otherwise I get that alert somewhere tomorrow. There. Stop at the low, equal lows, and then I targeted a 101. Which, oh yeah, here, I got filled there. Because this swept the lows, and then we closed above. That was my TP. I really thought we were going to go higher, but... Love TP there. Like, with, like, I love these... Love to look at these, because with, like, the normal or lower system, or lower... Old system, I would target a 1 and 2 here, even though I do think it's gonna go higher. Yeah, very nice. Just barely TP, and then yeah, very nice. And you a couple break evens I saw, Fed. 2 break evens, and then 1 trade with SSMT. Oh, no, that was a paper trade loss, right? Yo, Rafal, how you doing, man? How's it going with funded? Not funded, challenge account. But it's at 51,500 now. 25, nice man, nice age. Oh, like why you're really young, yeah? How old are you now, Artemis? Yeah, I would say, yeah, Fed is 19. Now 19. So break evens, oh yeah. Yeah, how old are you guys? Hardness, how old are you? Rafal, how old are you? We're still holding this busy, which I will remove to make it cleaner. Oh, you're also 21. Then you're also young. Took pretty much all the trades Turbo took. Oh, okay. Did he say that he took those trades? Damn. Only AM says trading, literally trading all-time highs. Oh no. Oh, I thought we were. It's also a draw. Bro, I smell... I was thinking, like, what do I smell, bro? I'm smelling a protein shake that I didn't put into the dishwasher from yesterday. That's what I smell, my god. It's not like disgusting, but it's I don't like the smell. Like, I have protein shakes with like a bag of 5 kilograms, and in the beginning it was very good, but now it's just, yeah, not that I can't stand the smell and taste, but it's like, it's not, yeah, I don't know, it's not at what it was. He posted in posted in Discord first. It's 1 W, 2 L's, and break even for that paper trade SSMT. Okay. I also took a trade, like end of day macro, but it was also break even. I know those ones. Which ones? I think I'll do not a full hour session today. Oh wow, look at this. We're gonna chop through all of this. We have already taken it on ES though. Oh, look at that. And then we have a 30 minutes. I think we just created one. So I think it looks very good. Just a little bit more structure, and then I want to see a straight higher again. Could be a 2 minute actually. 3 minute. It could be. Let's see. Is it though? I think it is. Yeah, it is. Alright, so entry stops pretty huge, and break even is at this high though. Which is almost instant as well. It's just outside my target, or our target, so I'll target a 101. I think it will at least be break even just with this huge manipulation, taking the equal lows. We didn't tap the gap. Also on ES we didn't, but it's not necessary for my strategy. Hopefully it gives a good example now. Oh wow, it doesn't. Okay. Do we even want to go higher? Is this an entry? Oh no, it's not here. Break even would be here. Yeah, no, it's not. Wow, that's an L. Wow, I really thought we were gonna go at least to this, man. I guess we don't even want to do that this day. Wow. That's crazy. And then, yeah, I'm only trading AM session, so. There we go, probably. No. Whoa. Now? No. Whoa, what is this day? That's crazy. Yeah, I didn't take the high. Wow. Okay, it's just now. Crazy. Copy image, and then on my birthday, man. It's just an L. Time entry was at like right here. 3-minute entry. New York. Price session. I don't see weird. Medium. Okay. That protein shake thing. Oh yeah. Like my water. Bro, are there days when I don't back? I missed a day today. I mean days when I don't backtest, bro. I'm right now. What day am I? 308. 308 days straight. Every day backtesting. At least a half hour until like an hour. 90% of the 308 days are at least an hour, maybe even more. And yeah, man. 308 days straight. No days skipped. Thursday, day 23 of asking to quit where the Burger King crown is. Yo, GM joins the stream. The first thing, Burger King crown. Trading at all-time highs. So I don't see any reason for us to go way lower. Busy. Singer busy. Bro, I've never backtested today. I never backtested today because I got really busy. Sometimes you have that, yeah. But like for me, it was like some days I'm more busy than other days. But there's always at least an hour of time in my day where I can backtest. In the beginning I was more struggling with it because I also had like social media. I had Instagram, I had TikTok, I had all that. And I just thought, okay, like, yeah, sometimes I'm busy, but still, like, you do spend some time on your phone. And if I just remove all that time, then there's probably, for me, then at least, like, for some people, of course, it's different. But for me, it was at least, yeah, I can at least get like an hour a day for backtesting. Minimum. Not every day for me also that I can do a full hour. Also with like sleep or have plans or, yeah. But I'm always trying to do just a little bit. But yeah, sometimes really, yeah, you can't, but yeah. I'm going to go the remaining part of this year backtest every day. Don't have social media? No, man. No, I live under a rock, man. I do have the account still, but I have no apps on my phone anymore for like, I don't know, for some time now. And I love it. There are some things like my friends sometimes just tell me, they say like a random meme, like some stupid stuff, and I just think, bro, what are you saying? But then they say, oh yeah, of course, you don't have TikTok, you don't have Instagram, all that. So I don't know. My girlfriend does have social media still, TikTok, so sometimes I hear things through that or my friends, but other than that, I know nothing, man. Not that I spend a lot of time on it anyway, but like at least total an hour, I would say, a day, which I already thought was too much. So I used to have Instagram, TikTok, where I spend most time on. But yeah, now I only just watch YouTube, and yeah, that's it. Instagram Reels? No, man, no. Wait, do you guys still have TikTok? There was like Trump took it down, right? But I heard like he took it down and then it was back up. But is that permanent or I don't know how that ended. Oh damn, yeah, man. Mm-mm-mm-mm. 2 minute maybe, but really don't like this price action. Okay, now we close below this gap. Oh no, 60 minutes. Wow. 3 hour, 4 hour, 6 hour. Hopefully this deeper retracement. How many trading AM session here though? Thank you so far holding the gap, and yeah, still lower. I spent 3 hours on Instagram today. I need to lock in like you. Yeah, man. Like I had that. Not like, yeah. Sometimes it would be more, but like there was there was more that I was more on social media, and then I said, okay, I'm just gonna do like 1 hour, and I just had like limits on my apps. Only like an hour total, but still I would say it was too much. Like hour per app, and then it would be 2 hours if I only did Instagram and TikTok most of my time. Facebook as well a bit. Twitter also. But yeah, eventually after I just removed the app from my phone. Still have the account though, but yeah, I don't look at it anymore. It was for 1 day. I don't live in the US, so I don't know. Oh yeah, of course. I think he got extended. Oh, like first 3 months and then another 3 after that. Okay. Yeah, so still bullish. 1 hour, please close below. Oh yeah, we're not, so 4 hour low. Okay, nothing, no traces there. Yeah, but I don't miss it at all actually, so. Friday, no trading. 1 W, 2 L's, or 2 W's, 1 L, so 1 RR on that week. That's good. Actually, I need to look at this more, like, how am I ending weeks? I look at months more, which is like long term, which is good, of course, but how am I ending weeks? So 1 RR this week, 2 RR this week, that's so good. 2 RR this week, 1 RR this week. Yeah, that's just so good. And then I am looking at like 1 W or 1 L a day, because I've seen a lot that when I take an L, it's a second L after that as well. Look at that, 1 L, 1 L, and not just this 2025 or 2020, but I've seen it a lot more. And I just want to, what I said is I want to backtest 2020 and then look at that, see what the results is from there, and then look at other years as well, of course. But yeah, I just want to see if I take 1 L, like how many times do I have taken another L after that as well. I just want to look at that, because I have seen it a lot. Like last Friday was a well. Last Friday I took 1 L, and then yeah, like last trading hour for me, I took an L, and I took another L after that, and then with this backtesting as well. Yeah, I'll just see though. Then we go to Monday. Okay, long session trading. This is Friday. Let's go to London. Okay, right here. Yo, Adarsh, how you doing, man? Liquidated my... Hey, yo. Bro, what? Hardness on the low. Same username? Wait, what? Hey, yo. Wait, what? Make sure you do. Hey, yo. Yo, Fred, I've been great, man. How are you? How have you been? Often do you forward test? When it's a trading day for me. So I'm trading on London session days, or I'm trading London session on no news days if we have no news. I'm trading New York session if we have medium impact news. Then I'm only trading the AM session of New York. And when you have high impact forward news, I'll be trading the entire day. FOMC, CPI, NFP have different rules for that, but that's basically when I trade. So almost, yeah, just depends on the news, but yeah, every day I'm on the charts at least. If not live trading, then backtesting. Literally trading all-time highs, yeah. This is London session, yeah, it is. So we have this gap. Yeah, this looks a bit more bearish. Okay. Yes, looks a bit more bearish. Have clean lows here as well. NQ is still holding it, so I still look for higher. But I do think ES wants to drop lower. Maybe NQ will follow for short term, but eventually I still want to see again higher. Could this be something? No. Okay, so play this out a bit. Maybe 2 minutes. No. Alright, let's see where ES is now. Yeah, ES took the lows. Did inverse this gap, but NQ still holding that range. Do you have anything else which we are holding here? Just this range. Optimal re-entry. Thinking this will be a deeper retracement. See if we can get a nice push higher. Okay, it's very nice. Not it's just like I was looking at this gap. I didn't take equal lows anyway, but let's see. Maybe, okay, this looks kind of dead. Okay, this really looks dead. I don't think it will be anything then. Okay, we did take all of these lows again. We have a gap here, gap here. Could be a 2 minute if we now inverse this gap. Oh, look at that. Yeah, it's an entry, 412. So we take all the lows. Thinking this will be a deeper retracement. We also have an SSMT, no, right? I think we have. Let me check. I think we do have an SSMT here. Yeah, man, we 100% have. Yeah, man. All right, yeah. So also that. Yeah, it's my entry model anyway. Without the SSMT, it would also be an entry, but I do like this one. And then it was a 2 minute entry with this gap. So on a 1 minute, we have a CB here, another one here. And I make just one gap out of this one. So then we have one singular one, which should closure above after taking the liquidity. That's my entry model. So right there in the market execution. Stop is pretty huge, but I'm also targeting a bit higher here. Yeah, it's outside my trade or outside my realistic RR targets. So get this market make a buy model. This will also be a target. Yeah, I think yeah this will be first and full TP. Very clean eyes if I look at it on ES. Look at that. So we'll see if this wants to go, and then break even will be at a fixed 1-to-1 there. Oh, where's the line? So let's see if this wants to go. There. And then break even on ES, that'll be at not this high. That'll be at this high, this black line. Okay. Let's see if it wants to go. Okay, I am filled. Oh my god. Holy shit. Okay, sometimes that happens. Instant stop out. See, maybe a re-entry. Maybe I get stopped out here and want to go higher. I have no idea, but no, it looks bearish. Wow. Okay, that's just an L. And then I'm only trading AM session or London session, which is almost not going to be outside my kill zone now. Let's first copy this trade. Yeah, that happens. Copy this. Was no trades on this day. Medium. 1 L so far. And then time entry was at 412. What a fill, man. 2 minutes. London. Price action not done with this yet. No news. How is showering going? Took a trade today? I did. Yeah. I took one trade and it was a W trade, so that's nice. Eval's now at 51,500. Is it every session? Not every session, no. Not every session. But like every day, not every day could be a trading day. Like if you have a bank holiday, I'm not trading. If you have a president speaking, if we have Trump speaking, then I'm not trading. If we have FOMC, then I'm not trading before it. If you have CPI, then no, nothing special with CPI actually. But yeah, all that. So sweaty today against shower because of my trading rules. 2 win streak with no shower until L. I got a rest last time I had a 5 win streak. Started spread all over now. I always want to take an L. Bro, what? Cookie King. Alright, see you, Vad. Thank you, man. Have a good night, man. Thank you. Cookie King, my rest is spreading. I might take an L on purpose so I can shower, bro. What? Okay, so I copy this, yeah. Alright, I see what the draw is now. So we are just, yeah, of course, obviously trending lower. We did not close below the gap here, so I'm still technically bullish, but I think if I'll just play it out, I don't think it'll even be an entry here. I always say that, and then my entry model forms, which no way that is my entry model. Yeah, honestly, not gonna lie, I would say this is 438. It looks terrible. Maybe it is terrible. And this is also what I want to see. So now I already took 1 L. Will this be another L? But yeah, technically we're still respecting this 1 hour, 21 minutes, and then we close below. Did not close below yet. Yes, in this gap it did close below, but higher time frame is still bullish for me. And then now we took out the equal lows and we inverse this gap. Even though we have not taken the liquidity here. Look at that, almost perfectly equal. Goes almost entirely against IST concepts. But I think this also is good if I take an L on this. Because then I have more data showing me that if I take 1 L a day, then it's just best for me not to trade. Which also makes sense. Like if I already take an L, then price action isn't already like going where I want it to go. Because otherwise I wouldn't get stopped out. That's first and final TP. Alright, let's see what we do here. Do I think it's going to go higher? Honestly, not even. But I have to take it. Oh, wow. Look at that. Just follow the system, man. If I would be trading on experience, then I wouldn't need a strategy. Which, of course, isn't going to work. Yeah, I love these trades as well, though. Even though I took an L now. And I took, wow, look at that. Didn't even take out the sell side. And I took an L first. And now I take a W. Yeah, still, like, this is beautiful. Like, just following the system. And, yeah. Very nice. Crazy. So it's 1.27. This is first and full TP, right? Yeah, it's outside of A1 and 2. So if this was inside of A1 and 2R, then I would have targeted this as first and final TP, but it's just a 0.2R outside of it. But very clean run, man. So this is first and final TP. And yeah, look at that as well. I would be scared to be still in this trade, still holding. Yeah. 438. So 1L, 1W. Even though I wanted to see this as a loss, so then I would have more data telling me that 1L a day is just past 10, not take another trade because, yeah. But now it's 1L, 1W, so it's fine. Price was right. All right, let me go to, yeah, it's a W day because it's a bit more RR. Let me go to Tuesday. Drum speaking. So I'm also looking for his factory. When is this added? 142 minutes before release time. So he was talking at 5 p.m. So I'm trading this entire day. So I'm looking at this day if there was no Trump. Then I would look at the calendar. I see only this. I see CPI. Okay, I'm trading the entire day. It's high impact folder news. And then Trump speaking at 5. In real time, I wouldn't have seen 5 p.m. Trump speaking because it got added 142 minutes before he was going to speak. So I wouldn't have seen this. So I'll be trading the entire day here like normal. Even though we do have Trump speaking. That's how I approach these backtesting days. Tuesday. Bro. Juicing. I was also about to head to bed. Yeah, man, it's already late. But yesterday I was watching a stream and I actually fell asleep mid-stream because it was so late. Bro, really? What time was it yesterday? Bro, yeah, man. Yeah, you're right. What time is it for you now, Fred? Yesterday, my time session, or my time when I was streaming, it was 4 a.m. I was done streaming 4 a.m. or something. Yeah, it was incredibly late. Yeah, man. What time was it for you? Liquidated. All the emojis. You ever rage trade after an L? What do you mean rage trade? Poke so hard your balls start to hurt at night. Bro, what? I watch the Quayo OG backtest sessions as I go to sleep before I get liquidated. Why do you stop posting trade recaps? Yeah, like, yeah. Why did I actually? I don't know. I was making the trade recaps of my funded. Then, like, 3 weeks after I lost the funded. I don't know, man. I didn't already start a trading challenge account. So, I don't know. Like, if I want to make trade recaps, I want to make it from start to finish. Which, yeah. I don't want to start trade recapping this account, which is now at 51k. So, if I get funded again, I'll 100% do the trade recaps again for the funded. Alright, let's see. This is incredibly bullish. Or bearish, but we're still holding this bullish gap. We do have CPI, which is released. Yeah. So I'm technically still bullish, which is crazy. Even though, yeah, this looks insanely bearish. They take internal liquidity. We are holding a gap now, though. They take 4-hour lows there. So I'm looking at least on a 5 minutes for a 5-minute low to get taken. Nice push, but can mean nothing. Could be like a Judas swing. Still want to see a 5-minute low get taken, which we do now. Do I think it's going to go up now again? Honestly, I do not think it's going to go up back again, but I have to look for longs because we're still respecting the gap. And then ES, yeah, there's a singular gap in the entire leg there, right? Yeah, so technically I am bullish. Am I? Oh, wait. 6 hour, 8 hour. Okay, 8 hour. Okay, wait. Yeah, we're still, if we are trading below the daily, then I can look for lower, but we're not even below it, so. Just looking for a long. So we'll see. Okay, now we are below it. But now we are back above it, indeed. So is this then a long? We did go for our low? We did not, so technically this is a long, which I am also going to take, which I, in the live marks, that's also what I will do. So trading at the low of that gap. They take equal lows. Those above. Break even will be at a 1-to-1. And first TP, looking at this a tiny market maker model. First and final TP. Break even though. Oh wow, that's exactly here. Break even is already here on yes. If yes it's high, then I'll break even. It can be very, very quick, but also risk management, right? If it's not an instant stop. Okay, break even. Oh, just follow the system, man. Beautiful. Oof. Yeah, man, crazy. Look at that. Again, if I could trade off experience, I wouldn't have needed the system, but I do need a system, and yeah, just love these trades. Or just follow the system, even though you have no trust in the trade. Beautiful. Copy image, and then paste this here. Time entry 10:15. This month's already going crazy. 10:16. Just outside of macro. Price action was magnificent, not gonna lie. And then what do we have? Yeah, it's CPI and medium. Beautiful. All right, Wednesday. All day news. So I'm trading this entire day. Should continue doing trade recap regardless of an eval or funded. Yeah, that's true. Yeah, but I want to link it to it, right? Like I want to see the progress, or yeah, I want to show like the progress of it, and then just like show the entire journey, like mistakes, all that, like just make it as transparent as possible. I don't want to just jump in, make trade recaps now of the account which is already up $51 or $1,500. Like you don't know how I made that. I don't know. I just want to, if I want to share something, I want to just share it as transparent, or make it as transparent as possible. It's like how trading actually is, because there's too much fake stuff already online. Yo, Cor for PT. How you doing, man? I'm doing great, actually. Thank you for asking that. You had My Farm Futures 150k account? Yeah, man. Yeah. How many challenge accounts you have all time? Man, with that, I had one My Farm Futures account, which was at the time was like $30, which is crazy. Like, are you ever gonna find that again? But with the last accounts, let's say, okay, I'm gonna count until the funded. How many accounts? It would be like, I think total 15 maybe. Actually a lot. 10. Yeah, I think 15. Or maybe a bit less. But in total, I have paid like 20 times or something. Because multiple accounts I was trading for multiple months. Like just trying to make it consistent, make a system money. Not pushing it. So I was trading for 1 year at least. Just one, or not just one, but multiple accounts, which were like maybe 3 accounts in an entire year. Which I paid multiple months for like an account. So I would have paid like, yeah, multiple months. I think in total, maybe I've spent like $800 on all the accounts. How much are you looking for a daily return? Only, yeah, it depends on the what is it? On the capital that you have, of course. But yeah, let's say it doesn't matter the amount, but 2%. 2%, man. That doesn't sound like a lot, but let's say you have, I don't know, 200k in funding. 2% already, what that could do, man. Just 4k a month. You could just scale up so fast, so quick from that. And then that's just a 200k. Then imagine now a 1 million in funding, or yeah, man. But 2%, yeah. With risking 0.5% then, so. Oh yeah, right. Daily return. I misread it. Daily return. It's just one W a day. That would be nice. Yeah, 2% is what I'm looking for per month, I would say. And then Yeah, I'm already like with backtesting data, I'm like, yeah, like just crushing that if you just look at backtesting data. But I'm waiting until I get this in the live markets, you know? Because look, man, it's just crazy. This with risking 1% though. So this would be like a 0.8% month. Nothing too crazy these months. But then this is like 2 point something. 1%, 4% month. 2% month something. So I would say it's realistic. Very, very realistic. And then, yeah. Thank you, man. And let's see. It's looking for longs. Wait, this is Wednesday. 15th of July. Oh, yeah, trading this entire day. Let's see. Still holding the gap. Nice reaction. An SMT here as well. Not really moving in tandem. Still look for higher. That's already taken. This is already taken as well. Wow. This looks ugly. Wait. Okay, I'm not even targeting this. Just gonna look at the structure here. Hopefully we move a bit more in tandem. Still look for higher though. 940. Wow, look at that. Did not miss anything here. Okay, this actually could be, no, not anymore. I wouldn't say this could be something. 10 a.m. Look at that. So we're still respecting this singular gap. Yeah, ES of course as well is still in that gap. This all-time highs. So that's the target. And then for NQ, that's all the way there. So look at that. Just not moving in tandem at all. It's also a target. This kind of looks, so far it looks pretty ugly, this price action. Oh, where's my, wait, what? Oh, here. Wait, what? Did I normally not have it here? No idea. Okay, it could be something, no. Nothing. Okay, this could be something. Which it would have been if ES had not taken... Wait, let me check. Okay, I'll be break even there. Okay, no, it is a trade then. Open inefficiency. Oh, never mind. Wow, we're not moving in tandem here at all. Look at that. Like, this high is there. This high is there. Wow. Oh, it's nothing here. It's waiting. Still nice pushing higher. Okay. Pushing all the way lower. And all the way lower. And now it's outside my kill as well. 11:15 right there. So PM session. Let's see what the draw is now. We inverse this. There is nothing else inside of this leg. So this looks bearish. Just looking at NQ. What is ES doing? Also close below, but then we are in this here. So that's probably still bullish. Yeah, so we have a busy here. Also a like actual liquidity void there. So could mark out the busy, and then we also have this gap, which I know we are trading in inside of. Yeah, and I'm looking for higher, man, but I don't know. And then optimal trade entry, equilibrium, nice tap. Okay. And then looking at this some market maker model. This high is the target. That's here. And this high there. And then there. Okay. Let's see. So look for higher. Now look for my entry model again. Like in here, if we are trading lower, then maybe this load. Like this is also something like an inefficiency. Yeah, we have a 5 minute here where we are trading inside of. Or not yet actually. Then we have liquidity in this gap. Then on ES, also singular 5 minute. Also have liquidity there, so maybe want to take the liquidity, then push higher from there. But if we do not do that, then and my entry model forms, then I'm also taking it. Oh wow, I think this is, yeah, okay. So we did not tap the gap, like what I said, like maybe take liquidity then go higher. We did not do that at all. We took out the liquidity here, these equal lows. And now we close above this tiny little gap here, closure above. But again, we did not tap the gap here. But this is also an entry model, or also an entry. a valid entry. So I saw my target, and then this is what I'm targeting for liquidity or TP. Looking at this as tiny market maker model, with like this being original consolidation, first stage, second stage, or second stage accumulation. Yeah, we'll see. I have no idea with this as well, man, but we'll see. Oh my god, no way this also goes. Oh, and this already TP. So this high here, yes, is already taking it. So even though we're probably still going to push higher, like that's my target. I'm at least looking for a 1-to-1. So I have to be at least here. And then this is the target where I would be taking my TP off. But because he has already took it, I'm taking it off right here. So 100% off here. 1.3 hour full TP. Okay, let's see what we did after. For the screenshot. Yeah, still push higher. Wow, insane. Very nice. Look at that, man. We did not even tap the gap here. Like, yeah, we just barely missed it, right? Yeah, like maybe wicked it, but no, not even tapped it, no. Perfect equal lows within that gap. But man, beautiful. Again, an example of like me just following the system. Yeah, again, getting rewarded for that. Very nice. I made my, I think I'm gonna end the session early here. Just want to go to bed. 11:30, 13. Yeah, I think I'll just do that. Crazy end of the session, man. The session was crazy. I think I like have like an 100% win rate. New York price action. 13.28. Price action was good. We had all day news and then medium as well. Very nice, man. Wow, that was clean. Yeah, base the trade. All right, let's see. When did you start learning, if you don't mind me asking? 2 years now ago, man. Started 1 month with supporting resistance, quickly switched to TGR. I don't know if you know him, but traded like his way. Followed his bootcamp live, did that, traded for like multiple months. His strategy, his ideas and stuff. And then after that, I wanted to learn from Ice-T himself, so I learned yeah, all the rest of the time there from Ice-T himself. Watched the playlists and stuff, and then I think I'm now, yeah, since last year November, I'm trading my own system, which I'm just sticking to, not trading anything else. So that's now, what is it? Yeah, that's now, what is it, 8 months? And then 2 years total. What do you think about full porting evals if they're close to monthly rebuild around the 50k starting price? Need some opinions. Full porting evals if they're close to monthly, bro. Of course, that's like, why not do that? A rebound Monday, Thursday, bank holiday, so only 3 more trading days until rebuild. Also free reset, bro. Yeah, it will rebuild anyway, so full port is literally the best option. Everyone does that, GM. Everyone does that. Thinking about full porting next to good trade setups I see on it. Yeah, definitely do that, man. 100%. Thank you, GM. You too, man. I saw it. Thank you, Kurt. Yeah, look at this, man. Oh, I took 1 L. Crazy. Yeah, already 6%. Crazy, man. I almost got stopped out today. I got saved by legit like 2. Bro, me as well, man. You saw the trade I took? I got stopped, or like entered here. Almost stopped out there. Hey, no way, that's fire. Thank you, man. GR is a gambler, but I love the guy. Me too, man. Me too. He is a gambler. If I see the videos, like I don't watch his videos anymore, but full porting his whole entire account, doing all that, yeah, man. I still have a lot of respect for him though. Learned a lot from him, not per se with like strategy wise, but discipline, psychology wise. But yeah, really thankful for him. But yeah, I don't watch him anymore. Still follow him on YouTube and stuff, but like not like actually follow his stuff anymore. Yeah, guys, have a good night or a nice day. Thanks for watching, man. Honestly, everyone, good night, nice day. Again, I was thinking of full porting next trade, then also full porting free reset if I missed the full port. Free reset full port. Why would we do that? Beat my trade with Greasy Drawdown. Why full port free reset? Just full port that account and then it rebuilds, and then if you blow it after the full port, then, or if you blow it after just trading like normal again, then use the reset, right? Yeah, I'm gonna end tier them. Thank you, man. You too, man. Yeah, ciao. Because it will rebuild regardless on the free reset. Oh, that's true, yeah. Yeah, but GM, definitely do that, man. That's the best thing to do. Monday, yeah. Yeah, again, ciao.